All right, here we go. Number 14. Number 13 was a duplicate, so you can put an X on number 13. Number 14, Alexis and Ben are using these game boards to play a game making the largest four-digit number. Okay, we have Alexis and we have Ben. They have already chosen three-digit cards and each have one spot in their numbers left to fill. So they're trying to make the what? Largest. The largest what? Four-digit number. Four-digit number. Each of them have already placed three of the digits, okay? These are the digit cards left to go, okay? And you can see there's a 2, a 3, a 5, a 6, an 8, and a 9. Alexis thinks there are more winning numbers that she could make than Ben. Compare the numbers that Alexis and Ben could make with each digit card. Enter the symbol greater than, less than, or equal to into the table. Okay? All right, so if we look at the table, we can see the digit cards left 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Alexis can make this number, and you see the list of the numbers she can make. Ben can make this number, and you see the list of the number he can make. Using greater than, less than, or equal to, compare the numbers. So some of us, we're still struggling with comparing numbers. Remember, if you start with the greatest digit, then we have a better time of comparing. I like to make sure that we line them up: 7,413, 3,741, starting with our greatest number. Compare them. If it's the same number, mark through them. The greatest number here is what? 7. The greatest place value, rather. What's the greatest place value in these numbers?
1,000.
I need you to stop. Here we go. I had to say this on several videos today because every class is doing the same thing. I need you to stop your brain and listen to the question. You're not answering what you want the answer to be or what you think I'd like to hear. I need you to answer the question I'm asking, okay? What is the greatest place value in these two numbers?
7,000.
What's the greatest place value?
1,000.
You're still not listening.
What's the
Say your place, sing your place values.
1 10 hundreds, 1 10 hundreds, 1,000 10,000, 1,000 10,000, 100,000 million, 100,000 million. That is a million. That is a million.
Those are your place values. So if you're sitting there screaming 7,000, you're wrong, and you're not listening to the question. The question was, what is the greatest place value in these numbers? The what place? Oh, okay, the thousands place. The greatest place value is the thousands place. Get it together. So, are these two numbers the same?
No.
No. Which number is greater?
7.
So 7,000 is greater than 3,000. So that means 7,413 is greater than 3,741. Okay? All right, let's look at the next set of numbers. We have 7,415 and 5,741. The greatest place value is the thousands place. I don't think the video could see it. I'm sorry. The thousands place again. Which is greater, 7,000 or 5,000?
7,000.
Okay, so once again, whose number is greater?
7,000.
Whose number is greater?
Alexis.
Again, listen to what I'm asking. Listen to what I'm asking, not what you want the answer to be. The question was, who has the greatest number? Alexis has the greatest number. Next question. We have 7,000. When I write, you write.
Just like that.
Do you have all of this on your paper, or are you just sitting there watching like you're watching television? Once again, don't say, Miss Terrell, going too fast. You're not even writing. 7,416, 6,741. What's the greatest place value?
Thousand.
What's the greatest place value?
Thousand.
The thousands place. Which is greater, 7,000 or 6,000?
7,000.
Who has the greatest number?
Alexis.
Alexis again has the greatest number. Okay, the next set of numbers, 7,418 and 8,741. What's the greatest place value?
The thousand.
What's the greatest place value?
The thousand.
Which is greater, 7,000 or 8,000?
8,000.
Who has the greatest number?
Ben.
Thank you. And finally, we are comparing 7,419 and 9,741. What's the greatest place value?
Thousand.
What's the greatest place value?
Thousand.
What's greater, 7,000 or 9,000?
9,000.
Who has the greatest number?
Ben.
Thank you. Any questions about number 14? I hope you have all of that. When I check it, you better have it. All right, question 15. Might have to get a little closer with the video on this one. Once again, make sure you are reading everything. Tony had written the inequality shown. Inequality means that they are what? Think about the word. Look at the word. What do you see in the word inequality?
Equal.
Not the same. Who said that?
Troy.
Good job. Inequality means not the same quality. Equal is the word that you should have saw in that word. Inequality means not equal. Okay, not equal. These numbers are not equal. You can tell that because there's a less than sign sitting there. Okay, so he's shown this inequality. He said that he could put the same digit into both blanks to make the inequality true. Which digit will make Tony's statement true? Choose all that are correct. Okay, so he's saying that I could say 736,386 is less than 733,241. Is that correct?
No.
No. Okay, so that one is a part B. So let's try the 5 in that blank. 735,000. No, that's wrong.
Wait.
736,586 is less than 735,241. Is that a ching or eh? All right, let's try C. 736,000, plug in that 6 in that blank, 686 is less than 736,241. Ching or eh? Very good. All right, the next one, part D. 736,786 is less than 737,241. Ching or eh? I heard someone say eh. Which one is it? Ching or eh? It is a ching. Okay, so be careful with this one because some people will say, oh, we're done. Well, we got to make sure because it says what? choose all that are correct. All right, so we got to check and make sure this last one is not correct. 736,986 is less than 739,241. Ching or eh? I heard both. Okay, stop for a second. Reevaluate the number. I'm hearing a lot of stuff going on right here. Right here. I don't know what it is.
That's over there.
I said right over here. Thank you. Don't argue with me. I know what I hear. Oh, that looks real blurry, don't it? I don't know why.
It's probably the pencil. Probably because you wrote it.
Yeah, it's the pencil, I think. It still didn't work, does it? Wow. Now that's much better, but I don't know if you can really. I don't know if you can really see it on camera. Because when I move it over here, you can't see it really well.
I can. Oh, that's because it's right under the spotlight.